Hello, hello! The sun is out, the sky is blue. I'm beautiful, and so are you. Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in the world. Anyhow, today free, not five, free, free easy ways how to make money with YouTube. Number one, the most powerful one probably, is get your YouTube channel monetized. And you're making your pennies, cents, then later on dollars, and then hundreds and thousands, just from YouTube paying ads during your videos. And that's how you make money from YouTube ad revenue. Easy, simple, and it takes really not just months and years to get your channel monetized. It's quite a mission, guys, but I know the way how to do it fast because I've done it myself. I got my YouTube channel monetized in 2 weeks from the time I took action. And how I did it, it is simple, yet not everyone does that, and you need to know where to go, how to go about doing that, how to sort it out. It has to be trusted, all of that. So I gained all of that knowledge from the training course I purchased from a guy that I really trust and I have been following for months. He's a guy with integrity, that's why I like him a lot, and I talk about that person a lot in my videos. So I wholeheartedly recommend that training course. Sorry, you can see the shadow of my phone in this recording because the sun is just blinding my eyes. And then that's why I talk about it a lot, because I'm talking about my own experience, and nothing speaks louder than your own experience and your own testimony, right? So Traffic Jarvis, I recommend it to everyone. It's a powerful training, guys. Over 13 hours of hardcore knowledge. You will know everything you need to know to master YouTube and make it with YouTube and get your YouTube channel monetized fast. Okay, so this is number one. Number two, the second way to make money with YouTube is via affiliate marketing. So when you do what I have been doing for the last 7-8 months, so I have been making YouTube review videos about products that I promote. When I started, I was really promoting any kind of products because as a newbie, you're as green as the grass. You see the grass? That's how green you are. But then later on, as you gain more knowledge and understanding, you can choose. You can choose what you want to do. Do you want to promote scams, anything, just to make sales? Or do you want to promote products that are quality and genuine and just do the job? Sorry about the police. I have been for the last 4 months extremely committed to bringing the best products to light. So I only do reviews about products that I personally recommend. So here's my bike. My beast keeps me fit. So this is number two, by doing affiliate marketing. And if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, check out Kiss Jacking, a simple way to get started with affiliate marketing. As a newbie, don't complicate the process, keep it simple. Okay, number three method that I'll probably also do in the I don't want to say months, but maybe years to come, because I'm also gonna set up another YouTube channel which is gonna be about health, something that I've been extremely passionate about. And I've done years, almost 2 decades of research on health and well-being. So that YouTube channel is also coming, but next year, probably next year. Yeah. So anyhow, it's so windy. London weather, crazy London. It's been nice though. It's been this quite Indian summer sort of thing, nice autumn. So I'm madly enjoying this weather, even though the winter is almost here. So the third way, sorry, I'm rubbish, with like showing you with fingers, is to just promoting your own product. So you know, you make a YouTube video and you can just, you know, send people to a product that you have created yourself. So you say like, guys, like, excuse me, in the description box there's a link to an ebook I have, you know, recently put together, written, whatever, or like a course, or like a VIP group, whatever. Sky's the limit. You will see as you get started, guys, you will get ideas. They will just start like flowing, because the ideas are like, you know, floating in the air, begging for manifestation. So yeah, you know, you will find a way to manifest the ideas that, you know, keep popping into your head, and you know, everything will become more and more clear. But you just have to do it. You have to take action, and yeah, you will start networking, you will meet people as you go along, and you grow from there. But you just need to take action and believe in yourself. So yeah, guys, 3 ways to make money with YouTube. YouTube revenue YouTube revenue, affiliate marketing, and selling your own product. So you send people to your own product. You can tell, oh, I'm doing consultations as well. So you can like leave your you know, contact details, whatever, in the description box below your YouTube video, and people, like, you know, can just contact you, and that's how you make, you know, money. Yeah, get creative. You know, you will see it's fun. It is fun, and you will have more ideas as you embark on this you know, exciting journey. Okay, check out the links to Traffic Jarvis if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized fast, and learn more like all about YouTube. You need to learn to become successful with YouTube, and YouTube is free, guys. So if you want to do it, and you don't necessarily have to show your face, not at all, like I am showing, you don't have to. You know, you can do it later on, or you can just go incognito, like, you know, the mysterious person sort of thing. Yeah, and kiss jacking is for those who just wish to start with affiliate marketing. Yeah. Alright, and then create your own product. But this is when you gain more knowledge that you can share with your followers later on. Don't rush with creating a product. What's the point of creating a rubbish product? You know, like, what kind of a name does it give to you if you create like some sort of scam product? That's why I'm not rushing with creating a product. No, I want to deliver, you know, value and quality. That's why I'm like busy studying and researching for now, and later on, you know, I'll rock. I'll rock like a hurricane. Alright, bye. Have a gorgeous day.